It's special, it's from the Luo Wenkai series, is a relatively rare version. The price of this watch is about 700,000 yuan. In the secondary market, it should be more than 100. About 110,000 yuan. This one is a toy watch. Poverty makes me rich. We don't need the Japanese version. Then customize a toy watch. It's still okay to play with. How can I play with this? To play with a version that meets our expectations. First of all, in terms of materials, there are many diamonds, with 10 large diamonds in it. It's made of natural turquoise. It uses a version from a toy manufacturer and then modified it. It uses a base from the EW family. And then we modified it to be a turquoise panel. This is a natural turquoise material. We'll have this pattern printed on it. Each piece has a different texture. Unique. This one is also a turquoise, but it has a different pattern. It doesn't have this kind of black crack. It has a whitish pattern. It's also natural. For turquoise, it was selected with this black pattern. And this one is a replacement panel. A toy watch. The original panel is made of plastic. Compared to the original one, it is particularly obvious. Let's choose some with answers. Well, for this watch, including the strap and bezel, is also inlaid with this material of moissanite. The moissanite, it has a blue light effect, including the luster in the light. And the reflection is also very good. The dial is also inlaid. The whole inlay, including the version color, and the degree of luster, is satisfactory. The size of 36. It is friendly to both men and women's wrists. For small wrists, it's a gospel. As for the thickness, is moderate, which is the same as the Swiss version in diameter. As for the thickness, sapphire glass. The movement is a domestic 2836. While the Swiss version is equipped with the 3255, the power reserve of the 3255 is 70 hours. This toy watch version, the power of the 2836 movement is 38 hours. On the back, there is also a black metal logo on the back, because this version is made of 18-karat silver. Another thing is the weight. The weight can't be reached. It will be lighter than this one. It weighs about 130 grams. About 120 to 130 grams. This version should be removed from 100 to 200 grams. It will be tens of grams different. The overall workmanship is good, and for customizing the dial, including inlaying these handmade diamonds, it won't cost more than a few thousand yuan. Okay, that's all for this video. I'm Xiaoyu. See you next time. Bye.